As the state of Wisconsin says the Rock County Human Services Department made violations before a teenager in their care committed suicide.
Rock County reporter Adam Duxter spoke to Cole Fuller's father and joins us now from our bureau with why he says something needs to change. Adam?
Well, Jeff Fuller says he wants to see real change happen after he says errors made by Rock County Health Services led to his son's death. And tonight he's getting affirmation from the state of Wisconsin that something did go wrong. Jeff Fuller says his son Cole was always someone others liked being around.
He was incredibly popular. He was very good at football. He always shot the biggest deer. He always got the duck with a band on it. He always had success, but yet he still struggled with control of himself.
He says it was apparent that control became an issue as Cole grew up, as he eventually was diagnosed as bipolar and began seeing a counselor. Eventually, Cole started getting care from Walworth County. Jeff says his counselor there was great.
She met with him sometimes daily. She always checked in. She was always a text or a call away.
But eventually, he had to leave that help after moving to Rock County. His care was transitioned as well. That's when Dad started noticing issues.
It was approximately 6 weeks that Cole was under Rock County's care, and during that time, he did not meet with one crisis worker or a counselor.
Until one night this past April.
I was at dinner with my wife, and I got a phone call that Cole took his life. That moment is something that I want to prevent other families from ever having to feel.
Rock County Human Services Director Kate Luster says anytime someone commits suicide while in their care, they launch an internal investigation. After Fuller brought the matters to the state, they investigated too and found violations that tonight are still undisclosed. Luster says they want to correct the issues moving forward.
We just want to do everything that we can to look at the systems level issues and opportunities for any improvement.
Fuller says he wants to see more done so this doesn't happen again.
Those same people that saw my son that did not provide him care are seeing other people. We need good people in those positions.
Now, the findings of that state report will be undisclosed for the next several weeks, although Fuller says he does know that some serious mistakes were made. Luster says the county does comply with the state and will make any changes the recommendations do find.
Adam Duxter reporting tonight. Adam, thank you. New at 10, it should soon be easier to call the suicide prevention hotline. The Federal Communications Commission plans to establish a 3-digit number instead of the current number, 1-800-273-8255. The number would likely become 988. The FCC's chairman says crisis call centers have been shown to save lives, and the change would make it easier to access the service.